Install Phoneinfoga, the first thing you need to do is to go to sundowndev github.github.io slash Phoneinfoga. I'm going to drop the link for you. So this next thing you need to do is this. All you need to do is to scroll down and what you are going to see this Docker. You can run it on Linux, you can run it on Unix, you can also run it on your terminal. But you are going to use Docker because Docker is more easier to run. So the next thing we need to do is to copy this. So we're just going to copy this here and just copy this and just copy this. Then we open a new window. We'll just open a new window here. Come in. After opening a new window, all you need to do is to go to your Google Cloud. You can search it on your browser here, or you can just open Google Cloud. So all you need to do is to open Google Cloud. For you to run this, you need an account. So I'm using this for free. So we just go here and we'll just click start for free. You can click on console at the right here. So you just click on console here. So make sure your console is opening. Then after clicking on console, it's going to bring you to this section. Then you allow it to load. You click on this part here that I said activate cloud shell. So what you need to do is to click on activate cloud shell. It's open like this. So cloud shell is the terminal. It's more like a terminal that gives you the access that gives you access to where you run the code. So these are previous codes that I've run. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon to open a new tab. So click on this plus icon. I'll open a new tab. Then after opening a new tab, it will bring you to this section. Let me dismiss this very quick. Then yeah. So I'm just going to paste the code we copied here. So you paste the code we copied here, which is Docker Pro Sundown there Phoneinfoga latest. Then all you need to do is click on enter. Then immediately it's going to pull out the Docker image. So after putting out the Docker image, this is where you are going to start hacking the phone numbers, right? So you impute this code. So in this section, right, all you need to do next is this. In this section, all you need to do is to click on Docker. That is, make sure I'm coming. Just put that in there. Just click on Docker run, Docker run. Give a space. Say Docker run. Then say dash it. Just put it dash it. So after putting Docker run dash it, right? Then you specify the terminal you're using, the terminal you're using, right? Which is Phoneinfoga. So all you need to do is to put sundown dev. Hope you guys are understanding. Sun sundown dev forward slash put sundown dev, then you slash what Phoneinfoga phone in Phoneinfoga. So after putting phone info like that, then if you want to track the phone number, all you need to do is to put scan and what? Sorry, answer this. You put scan, that is scan, then you add this and you put n. So putting the phone number now, you need to put the phone number with the country code. Then you just input 234. Remember, if the phone number is not active, you will not find anything. You will just find the location, you will just find the country where the phone number is from, but you will not get the actual location. So next thing you just input this phone number 8089. So you can put any phone number 8933, and that is what 19325. Then after this you click on enter. Then immediately it will bring you to this section. So if you bring it to this section, if you look down here, you can see that showing NG, showing Nigeria. So that is it. This phone number is not really active, but if the phone number was active, you are going to see the state on the current location that the phone number is actually at. So this is how you can run Phoneinfoga. I hope you guys understand. Please, anybody that has a question should just ask me. I will do it again. So I think that's all for this. That's all for this. So the next thing now, right, on the terminal, right, if you want to do more things with this terminal now, you need to enable. Let me hide this. If you want to do more things on the terminal, you need to enable a port which is sport 30-30. I will make another video on how I should do it again. Sorry, I'm in a class with people. I just came live so that I'll be showing you people. So if you want to do it now, I'll show you guys. I think maybe later in the evening when we come back again, I'll show you guys how to run a web view for it. The web view is where you will get more details about the phone number. You can get the carrier of the phone number and other things. You understand? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next class. Let me cancel this stuff. It's been recording for a while now. Stop. I'm coming.